Good morning guys. Today I am back with another video. In my last washing session I told you that there are some abrasions in my car body as I have travelled in an highway and the clear coat has attracted lot of contaminants that cannot be removed with the help of normal washing process. So in this type of scenario you require a particular substance that is called claybar, which I have procured from Amazon. I will give you the links if you are interested to purchase this. And with this claybar, as you can see, this particular surface, if I feel it with the hand, in visual inspection you won't find that, but when I am rubbing this particular area with hand, you see that this is rough. This area is quite smooth, but there are some roughness is there. That means there are some contaminants. That means it may be road grime, it may be dust, it may be sand particles that has got trapped in the clear coat. So in order to remove these particular contaminants, you require a special substance, that is claybar. So I will claybar this particular panel one by one, and finally after I finish claybar, I will wax the entire car to give it a protection. So for better practice, you start with one panel at a time in order to reduce the labor. Before starting this procedure, I will wash this area with the help of shampoo water, rub it dry, and then I will start the claybar procedure. Before claybar, you should be sure that there are no dust particles or loose dust on your body, then it will do more harm than good. Now this panel is ready for claybar. Remember, while using the claybar, you have to make sure that it doesn't fall in the ground. Then you cannot use that particular claybar because that will cling all the dust and debris. So divide this claybar into small packets. I will take this much. You say flowered duff, and I will clean it like this. So this particular claybar is ready for application. Now I will apply shampoo water. Instead of shampoo water, you can buy claybar lubricant also. That's an expensive one. This is a cheaper process. That is also same a type of soapy water. You can use normal soapy water also. Remember, while using claybar, make it sure that the car is always wet with lubricant. Never use this claybar in dry surface area. So I have adequately applied soapy water on the car surface, and then I will apply this particular claybar in this particular. As you apply this, where there are contaminants, you will find that you get a friction type of feeling. Do not apply too much pressure. You will understand as it collects the contaminants. You will be careful as the area becomes very slippery. There is chances that you lose control over this claybar. You can already feel that the surface is becoming smooth. Depending upon how much contaminants it has collected, you have to use to that particular duration. So the claybar process is over, and now I will apply some water and wipe up this particular area. We feel that the entire surface has become smooth. No more any abrasions or anything like that is visible anymore. So this panel is ready. So like this I will do the other panels also, and then finally I will go for waxing. If you find there are too many irregularities, you can go for compounding, you can go for light compounding, depending upon how much paint correction you will require. Now when you apply this particular clay bar to other areas, you should fold this so that again you get the fresh area and apply to other areas. So again the fresh area. Always remember, the panel should be adequately lubricated, remember that. It has collected this much of contaminants, so I need to again change the position. Black tar spots here, so I had to clay bar this area again, and you see now all the tar spots have gone. Let me show you guys this particular area. Here you will see lot of tar spots. Now I will remove it with the help of this particular clay bar. All has gone, not a single tar spots are remaining. So if you have tar spots like this, clay bar is an effective way to remove them. You see how much contaminants it has collected. It's absolutely black. So the entire car has been clay barred. You see the entire surface has become butter smooth. So the clay bar process is totally complete. Now the next step will be to wash the entire car. So to remove all the stresses of soap that I have applied, so that it becomes ready for applying protection wax. So it's absolutely okay. So in this process you don't require any pressure washer. You can do it in normal bucket method also. Today I am not applying any pressure washer for this particular purpose. Now the car is ready for paint protection or waxing that is required, but the some of the panel has lost its sheen. So I will go for a light compounding, or I will apply some polish so that the original gloss is restored back. So these are the areas, some of the areas, not everywhere, because some of the areas I required a bit more. So that particular areas have to be polished before I apply the protection wax. For this I will be using the same Meguiar's ultimate polish. This is a very good polish and I am using it for a long time, and the results are really outstanding. We will do this to most of the areas so that it blends properly with the original gloss. So you can see that the entire bonnet area or whatever the panel, it blends with the original gloss. So this is the advantage if you apply a pre-polish or pre-protection glaze. So you get a uniform result for all the panels. So let me do it for the entire car. Now the entire car is ready. I have pre-polished it, that means brought back the pre-polished glaze. So this is without protection. Now the protection part. Now you have many options for protection. You can go for ceramic spray, you can go for ceramic wet wax, you can go for liquid wax, you can go for normal waxing also, depending how much you are going to spend on this protection. But I would prefer ceramic spray or ceramic wet wax. Why? Because they last longer and you will give better protection. Not only that, they are also very good in bringing a mirror gloss. that is also one of the main causes why I will go for ceramic. So you have already seen my video where I have made a ceramic polishing video 1 year back. So the car has just completed 1 year, and I will again do a ceramic coating on this particular paint. So let's start the process. So for this I will be using this Turtleworks hybrid ceramic coating, which is one of the most affordable and very good ceramic coating, and I will use this particular product for protection. So I will start from roof to bottom. So I will divide this into 2 halves. So I will first apply this area and finally move to the other area.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
I will apply a polishing cloth to bring out the glaze. So finally the buffing cloth. So like this I will cover the entire car, then I will show you the result. Apply to the bonnet area. Now let's apply to the entire bonnet.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up,
now buff up the excess ceramic. The bonnet area has been completed. So let me complete the entire car and then I will show you what are the results. So the entire car has been applied with ceramic spray, and you can see the overall makeover. Already you are getting a mirror gloss finish. Not only that, all the abrasions have gone. Now last finishing touches, I will give black protection as it shows a faded look. So I will apply tire polish to the tires and this all black areas.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'm a...
Now all the black rubber beads, it will not only bring back your black color, but it will give an added protection also from weathering away due to harsh weather conditions. Final touches, the tire polish almost complete. My wheel cap paint is still intact, as you can see. Lot of persons had questions that whether it's still there. Yes, it's still there, except some few abrasions. It is absolutely okay. So if you paint properly, it will definitely last. In fact, it is nearly 2 years, but still the paint is intact in my wheel cap. Since we visited a seaside, so we also cleaned the seats because there were some salt stresses. So I am applying a leather conditioner also to give the seats an added protection. In fact, this will be my last step.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really
Finally,
big
the
hitter.
entire job has been completed, and let me show you the result. And this is the result after claybar, then light compounding. I have applied ceramic polish, that is ceramic coating, Turtleworks. So this is the final result, you can see. So like this you can easily do this particular job at home very easily and very cost effectively, no scratches, an entire smooth body everybody like to have. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, because your subscription gives me encouragement to make more videos for you. And if you have any questions or any comments regarding this procedure, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I am always ready to answer your queries. Thank you very much and goodbye.